Have you ever felt like time is slipping away, but you can't figure out why? You wake up, plan your day, and yet by nightfall, nothing really changes. Why? Because you're making these 7 hidden mistakes that silently steal your time. Mistake 1, checking your phone first thing in the morning. You wake up, grab your phone, and suddenly 30 minutes are gone. Social media, emails, and messages pull you into a cycle of distraction before your day even starts. Successful people start their day with a purpose. Try meditation, exercise, or planning your top priorities instead. Lose an hour in the morning and you will spend all day looking for it. Richard Watley. Mistake 2, saying yes to everything. You feel guilty saying no, so you agree to every request, every meeting, and every distraction. The result? No time for yourself or your goals. Your time is limited. Learn to say no to things that don't align with your purpose. As Warren Buffett famously stated, the difference between successful people and really successful people is that really successful people say no to almost everything. Mistake 3, multitasking instead of focusing. You think you're being productive by doing multiple things at once, but in reality, you're just dividing your attention, making each task take longer. Use the Pomodoro technique. Focus intensely for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. As Tony Robbins quoted, where focus goes, energy flows. Mistake 4, overthinking decisions. Should I do this or that? The more you hesitate, the more time you waste. Set a time limit for making decisions. Act, learn, and adjust along the way. As Napoleon Hill quoted, indecision steals opportunity. A young warrior once asked his master, "How can I make better decisions?" The master handed him a cup of water and said, "Pour it out slowly." As the water trickled down, the master continued, "Like water, time flows. If you wait too long, it's gone. Make your choice and let it flow." Mistake 5, spending time with negative people. Negative energy drains you. If you're always around complainers, you lose motivation and focus. Surround yourself with those who uplift you and push you forward. Jim Rohn's famous quote, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." Mistake 6, waiting for the perfect time. You delay your dreams waiting for the right moment. Truth is, there is no perfect time, only time wasted. Start now. Progress beats perfection every time. Mistake 7, not having a clear daily plan. Waking up without a plan means reacting to life instead of creating it. Plan your day the night before. Set your top 3 priorities and stick to them. A goal without a plan is just a wish, and a wish. Now that you know these 7 hidden mistakes, it's time to take control. Don't let time slip away. Start making intentional choices today.